Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video. On Friday I found a really good deal on a Sigma 150-600 contemporary lens, and I drove to Dallas, Texas, and I bought it from a really nice guy over there. And when I returned home, slapped it on my 90D and ran out into the front yard, and all of my bird friends showed up. This woodpecker was in the top of a pine tree. Look at that reach. These pictures are not the greatest pictures. They are first pictures with the Sigma 150-600. But some of them turned out really well. I think what I was pleased with most of all is I didn't have to get so close to the birds anymore to get close-up shots, and my far-away shots looked closer than they had before. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, and thank you again for watching. Well, that's all I have for this video. Don't forget to check out my channel, and I will see you next time.